Okay, this is my Angry Birds knockoff where I just built it. Little coffee, 100 points. See, I got this steel bird.
That's it for tonight's video.
Can you please stop it, Theo?
With the letter.
Okay, this is my mustache thing. You can see.
Rah, ooh, la, my God.
These are the eggs.
I'm so delicious.
These are the eggs. Stop!
Yay!
Stop, Liv.
I'm in the crease and vision.
So this is.
Wait, shut.
This is my.
The mustache.
This is the mustache.
I see Riley back there. This is me and my friend. Ready? McDonald's Happy Meal.
Now I'm
So
gonna.
as a gift, this is the box it comes in. And that's it for tonight's video. Here's Darren with the weather.
Screaming your bow.
Screaming with
what?
the weather. Okay.
What
and he misses. So.
Mighty Bird.
So what are you doing?
No.
Yes! The Mighty Bird wins. And that's it for tonight's video. Goodbye and good night. Whoever's Chinese. Ah!